hoping this works.
So we found with the 5540s at the moment, when hooked into the cell phone docking station or any docking station that's meant for 130 watts power, when you are under 70%, the screens will flicker. So currently this thing is at, it's coming back, 43% battery. The screens will flicker. We've done this with about 5 different 5540s and shown it. When you're above 20%, and now under 20%, it seems to still flicker when you're plugged in with the charger. But if we have both the charger and the docking station hooked up, the docking station, we have found, will stabilize as long as you're above 20% battery on your laptop. So now we've got both hooked up, providing charge to the laptop, and now everything has stabilized.